She's dead.
And I'm resurrected. Hey everyone, this is Samantha and Stella and our other friend Shannon. You may remember me and Stella from the dance battles. Worst dancers ever! Ever. So, we're going to be doing a new video. I'm going to be singing The One Who Got Away by Katy Perry.
I'm gonna be the
Love you, Katy.
I'm gonna be the lights lady.
And
I'm gonna be the dancer.
And Shannon's going to be the dancer. You may bow down to our awesomeness, except for 3 people. Rolling Johnson, Tabascus, and Shane Dawson. You do not have to. I worship you!
In case you didn't hear, Shane Dawson, Ray William Johnson, and Tobuscus.
Also known as Toby Turner on some channels.
Okay. Well, we should probably start.
Ooh. Yeah, let's start. Okay. Summer after high school when we first met, we make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we got matching tattoos. You could steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof and talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. In another life I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away. The one that got away. I was June and you were my Johnny Cash. Never one without the other, we made a pact. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Whoa. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. I saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music I'm no longer amused. But in another life I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world.
he kept doing
So we hope you enjoyed it. So comment, rate, subscribe, and as Tabassus said, bless your face. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. Peace off.